Ladies and gentlemen, David Pomeranz with Jolina Magdangal.
Oh, ang ganda ko.
Hello. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Jolina,
Yes.
ano ang naaalala mo tuwing kinakanta mo ang Got to Believe in Magic? What do you remember?
Kasi bata pa ako, talagang favorite ko na yung mga songs niya. From ano pa lang yung old songs.
Yes, old songs.
Nasisenti talaga ako. Talagang feeling ko, gusto ko lang maupo sa tabi ng window. Tapos,
Asus.
kumuray. Habang pinapakinggan
Ilang taong
yung
ka
music.
nun?
Siguro mga ano ako ng mga 13, 14. Mga 15, ganyan.
Ang aga mo naman
As in years old, 13,
Yes,
14?
yes.
Oh my goodness.
I used to listen to your songs. You're my favorite. Kaya nung makasama ko siya sa Chicago na concert, talagang naiyak ako. Dahil talagang dream come true.
So this is not the first time you sang together, right?
No, we sang in Chicago in the United States
Yes.
together. We did a concert.
How do you find Jolina?
I love Jolina.
Oh,
I find Jolina right to my right here, actually. No, I think Jolina is one of the sweetest people I've ever met in this business.
Yes.
Absolutely, definitely.
Thank you.
And she's very, very, very talented, and she sings and she acts and she does everything. She's very sweet to be with. She's like a really good friend to me.
Wow.
Yeah.
close kami.
Eh, Jolina, how do you feel naman?
Siyempre,
singing
I'm
with
very,
David
very happy kasi nag-compose siya ng 2 kanta sa album ko. He gave me 2 songs. One for Teach Me to Fly and How Will I Know. So I'm very, very excited to launch this album kasi meron siyang song doon. So, sir, thank you so much for giving me that song. Thank you so
I am
much.
at your service, madam.
Diba? Happy ako talaga.
Now, David, your songs have inspired millions of people from around the world. Where do you get the inspiration to make these songs?
Well, my songs are reflections of my own life. They're people that I know. Sometimes I'll write a song that are different parts of a relationship, different people that I've known, I put together in one song. But the really good songs are those that are very specific to someone, like someone I've loved or someone I've missed.
Do things in your life, when they happen, do they really help you in writing your songs?
Oh yes, that's all I've got. I mean, that's my total ammunition is what I've experienced. I don't have anything else. You know, so I really look and see what it is that excites me or moves me or really, urges me to write something. Something's got to really be an urge to write something. It's got to be important to me.
Thank you, Jolina.
Thank you.
At dahil ipinangako namin mga David Pomeranz hits,
Kahit hindi siya Pilipino, hit na hit ang kanyang musika at mga kanta sa atin. Nakuha niya ang puso nating mga Pinoy sa kanyang mga sentimental love songs. We asked some people which David Pomeranz song they love most. Here, watch this.
Ako, paborito ko yung King and Queen of Hearts. Sana pwede niyong kantahin para sa amin.
Paborito ko pong kanta yung King and Queen of Hearts. Pwede ba pong kantahin niyo po yon, Mr. David Pomeranz? Kasi po team song namin ng boyfriend ko yun eh.
Po kanta ni David Pomeranz yung King and Queen of Hearts. Please naman po, Sir David, pakanta naman po nun.
Favorite song ko yung King and Queen of Hearts. Sana lang kantahin niya. Please, kantahin niyo naman po.
Isa sa mga favorite songs ko yung kanta ni David Pomeranz na King and Queen of Hearts. Sana po, please, Mr. David Pomeranz, pakikanta po yun.
Paborito ko po yung song niyang King and Queen of Hearts. Pakikanta naman po, Mr. David.
Sir David Pomeranz, I'd like to request a song, The King and Queen of Hearts. That's one of my favorite songs and I'd like to.
Mr. Pomeranz, it would really, really make me happy if you could sing King and Queen of Hearts.
Hey, Mama David, can you sing King and Queen of Hearts for me? Yeah, just for me. Mama.
David Pomeranz, walang biro, idol ko po yan. Yan yung kumanta nung Queen and King of Hearts. Hindi, King and Queen of Hearts. Galing.